namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. So today's pick a card reading topic is your manifestation. What manifestations are coming into your life? What are you manifesting right now? So that is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. So I have three groups for you guys. I have kept three chakras for you guys. So for group number 1, this is sacral chakra. For group number 2, crown chakra. And for group number 3, it's third eye chakra. So close your eyes, relax, and select a chakra that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so take your time. If you need more time, pause the video and then choose a chakra and then watch your pile. Okay, so the timestamps will be in the description box. I'm going to start with group number 1. Group number 1, what are you manifesting into your life? So if you have chosen the sacral chakra, what I feel like is like healthy body. You're manifesting, maybe for some of you, you're manifesting healthy body. You're trying to balance things. Maybe you have been avoiding junk food, you have been drinking lots of water, so maybe you're trying to lose weight or gain weight. So I feel like whatever you're trying to do, that is happening. You're going to have a glow up, and if you have any problems health related issues, I feel like that is also resolving. Okay, your health is going to be very good. That's what I'm getting. And a lot of creative ideas. For some of you, I feel like if you have been doing manifestation ritual, like during new moon, if you have been planting seeds, like if you have been scripting, or if you have been manifesting certain things, I feel like that's happening for you guys. Okay, I'm seeing new beginnings for many of you, like new beginnings related to health, like you're starting a healthy regime or something like that. And yeah, I feel like that healthy lifestyle. For some of you, you're doing that, and it will give you a lot of balance. So a lot of balance is what you're manifesting, a lot of balance and harmony. I'm even getting domestic harmony for some of you. Like in your home life, you will feel very happy. In your relationship, you will feel very happy. Okay, maybe for some of you, you want to get into a relationship, so you are working on yourself. You're changing your style. If you're doing that, I feel like yes, you're going to attract a lot of people. Yeah, new people I'm getting. So love wise also, there is new possibilities for you guys, I feel like. So maybe for some of you, you are manifesting a soulmate. I can see that also happening. Okay, so maybe you will, for some of you, it is just a friend that you're manifesting. You want a friend who you can talk to. So I feel like that's also happening for you guys. So like I'm getting like people, a lot of people are coming your way. Maybe you will you want to improve your health, so you will meet people who can guide you for that. Like they will give you advice regarding your health, how to maintain a healthy lifestyle, how to maintain the balance, how to maintain your weight, so or how you can eat healthy at the same time, how you can balance things, like how to manage stress. Maybe you are going to meet people who will help you with that. Like a lot of guidance you are going to get through a lot of people. Okay, I'm hearing like jewelry business for some of you. That's going to be okay, you don't worry. Okay, so yeah, maybe some of you make earrings or something like that, jewelry related something. It's okay. Or maybe you want to buy it. It is happening. So let's see what else. What are you manifesting, group number 3? Sorry, group number 3. Maybe group number 3 might be important for you guys. I just said it. Look, we have celebration, fun, enjoyment. Wow, so partying, a lot of party. I told you, meeting a lot of people. You will be meeting a lot of people. That's what I'm getting. Like talking to a lot of people, and from these people you will get a lot of info, how to maintain a lifestyle, how to balance things, like the things you don't know. You are getting a lot of information, and it is going to change your life in a very good way. Okay, so maybe for some of you it's like you're in your life, if you're in a committed relationship, you're going to have you will be enjoying with your partner, maybe going to different celebrations. So yeah, a lot of celebration, fun, enjoyment. If you're single, you're meeting new people, right? Maybe you're going to a party, meeting new people, talking to new people. So for some of you, you might be even getting into a relationship, like dating. Maybe you will start dating. For some of you, that's something I'm getting, like, or it's like not a serious thing, but you will be starting, I'm getting, you will be talking to a lot of people. That's something I'm getting here. So a lot of enjoyment, fun is going to come, but there is a tendency for you guys to worry. Even if you are enjoying, you worry about things, so don't do that. Okay, so just enjoy. So for some of you, it's like getting together with your friends. If you haven't met your friends for a long time, you're meeting them, you're celebrating, you're talking, you're feeling happy. For some of you, I even feel like that if you are into meditation, your friend will be also into meditation, so you will be meditating together. So it's definitely, you're feeling happy, you're enjoying. So there is a lot of enjoyment coming your way. For some of you, this celebration can be that you're manifesting something, like a new job for some of you, or a new relationship. So there is celebration there also. Okay, for some of you, I'm even getting like there is a proposal coming your way. Maybe someone will tell you that they love you, or it's like marriage proposal also for some of you. So that will lead to a lot of celebration and enjoyment, so a lot of happiness. Okay, so let's see. I'm getting a soulmate relationship. Maybe for some of you, an old friend of you will meet. So for some of you, it's like you will meet your old friend and things will take off. Maybe in the past you didn't think of this person like a lover relationship, but I feel like that this, now you will meet this person and it will click. So for some of you, that's also happening. Let's see. Okay, wow, look, we have marriage. I told you, marriage proposal, so celebration. Maybe for some of you, you're going to attend a marriage. That's also possible. And we have ring also. A marriage will take place, either romantic or business. For some of you, this can be a business thing. Okay, but definitely some partnership is happening. Like I told you, like jewelry business, you're getting sponsored, or someone is investing in your business. So you're like, there is a partnership coming. So that will lead to a lot of fun, enjoyment. Or maybe for some of you, your friend will be like, I'm getting married, and so you're going to go there, enjoy. So that is also possible. So a lot of fun times, enjoyable times, like that's why maybe you're trying to lose weight, so you will be losing weight, you will be wearing the dresses, or the whatever you want. Like, gender doesn't matter. If you're a man, wearing suits, looking good, or whatever dress you wear. So like, I'm getting that energy, where you are going to be enjoying. That's the thing. You will be enjoying. You will be meeting new people. You will have like, when you meet a lot of people, when you will be talking, I feel like there will be guidance. You will get guidance from different people. That's also I'm getting here. So yeah, time to act, lion. And we have an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. So definitely there is a lot of happiness regarding family. Maybe in your family someone is getting married, and so you are very, very happy. With this peacock, I feel like you're going to shine. So if you are the bride, or if you are the groom, you are going to shine. People will be like, wow, you look so good. So that kind of like, you will get a lot of compliments. Or even if you're not the groom or bride, if you are the one attending the marriage, people will recognize you because you are having a glow up. Okay, I feel like that. And for some of you, with this lion, I feel like, it's like you want to change your body. For some of you, it's like you want to change your body, you want to go to gym, you want to build that muscle up. You have been thinking about it. Maybe it's the time to start doing it. Like, If you put action, it will come. Okay, what you want will come if you put that action. So for some of you, it's your business. If you want to expand, if you're getting an opportunity, take action. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. So there is a lot of passion, yeah, that's what you're manifesting. A lot of passion, like you're going to be passionate about your work, about your career. You will be working hard, I'm getting. And for others, it's like you are trying to change your body in some way. Maybe you're changing your hair, or whatever it is, some sort of body changes I'm getting for you guys. Maybe losing weight, as I told. So there is some changes, and these changes will lead to a glow up. So you're going to glow up, you're going to feel very happy, very secure. And I feel like a lot of support from your family also, what you're manifesting. Okay, if there was discord once, there is unity coming. Okay, because of this celebration. Okay, maybe it can be a marriage also, it can be a baby shower also. So whatever it is, you're meeting people, you're enjoying, you're feeling very happy, you're feeling emotionally satisfied, you're satisfied with yourself, you're satisfied by the the way you look. Or maybe for some of you, there is a good news, like someone is pregnant or you're pregnant. So there is a lot of celebration, happiness. Or maybe for some of you, your business is going to take off, so it will make you happy, you will feel very happy. So people will compliment you, wow, you're doing great. And also you will feel very, very happy. And with this eggs also, new beginnings, it's a new beginning. So after marriage, it's a new beginning. For some of you, you might meet someone in this celebration, and that's a new beginning, right? Or for some others of you, it's like you have a new passion, so that's a new beginning. So you're starting something new. So that's a new beginning. For others of you, you are changing your body, you're changing your style, so you're feeling new, right? So a lot of new beginnings for you guys here. That's what you're manifesting. Let's see. But don't be afraid. The only thing that will stop you is your own fear. So, or procrastination. Don't procrastinate, guys. So sometimes when we want to go to gym, we procrastinate. We do it for 3 days, then maybe you will procrastinate. So don't do it. Take action, okay? Action is very important. You need to be consistent. You need to be consistent. Okay? So let's see. There are more cards here. Okay, December. Maybe this thing is going to happen in the month of December. Okay, wow, Spirit gave the timing also for some of you. So maybe something will start in December, or maybe you will start doing something in December. Maybe you will start a project in the month of December. Okay, or maybe you will attend this function in December. Whatever it is, December month is going to be very important, and you will see that change, that new beginning in the month of December. And that is, now it's November, so December, next month I'm getting here. Yeah, it's not next year, I feel like it's next month. So let's see. Yeah, we have one more card over here. Wow, look, sunrise. I told you, new beginnings, right? Again, we have this orange color. It's like the sun is going to shine, right? You are shining. A lot of creative ideas. Work on your creative ideas. New creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start, right? For some of you, it's your business is moving forward. You are doing something new. If you have a business already, you are doing something new. Like new ideas are coming, new things, new projects. So there are a lot of creative ideas. Work on that ideas. Okay, these ideas will give you a lot of success. For some of you are planning to start something new, go for it. Okay. Yeah, look, we have ladder. Yes, climbing towards success. Slowly but surely you're climbing towards success. And the back of the deck is great happiness. Again, we have the instrument. It's like music playing. Music is playing. You're dancing. You're enjoying. You're having fun. You're getting a lot of creative ideas. Definitely there is a lot of gathering. That's what is coming. A lot of celebration, a lot of happiness, a lot of enjoyment, a lot of fun, feeling emotionally satisfied. When when you will be dressing up, if you're going to a party, you will look very happy by yourself. You'll be like, yeah, I'm looking good. The way I imagined, I'm looking like that only. So you are going to be very happy. For others, it's like your passion is moving forward. The things you want, like in your career, things are moving forward. Things are looking good in your business, things are looking good. So slowly but surely you're climbing that. Okay, so take action, don't procrastinate. That's the thing. There is a chance for you guys to procrastinate also. So, and I think that's only the problem. Here, let's see what else. Okay, with this beware of great pride, I'm also getting, if someone needs your help, give them the help. Okay, sometimes you might not, you will be busy with your life, you will be busy with your work, so maybe there is a chance that you might, without knowing, you might not know that other people needs you. So yeah, so just call your parents often if you're staying away from them. Okay, so yeah, check on your loved ones. That's I'm getting. So let's see, what are you manifesting, group number 1? Wow, look, abundance. Definitely King of Pentacles. For some of you, as I told you, you might be meeting someone older. Like with this abundance, I'm getting like abundance of knowledge is something you're getting. So if you're in business, you might meet someone in this party and you might get a different perspective on how to do this. Like getting a lot of new ideas, lot of abundance of knowledge. That is something I'm getting for you guys from an older person. Like guidance. If you want to create, if you're a business person and you don't know what to do, like you will talk to this person and you will get a different idea. I can do that. Like, yeah, so that's something I'm getting. And for others, it can be earth sign you're meeting in this party or celebration. That's something I'm getting. You will be meeting a earth sign. Okay, for some of you that is also possible. But this person is someone who is old, who might be older than you, and they might be very mature, they might be very balanced. That's something I'm getting, very grounded energy. So let's see. And for some of you with this lion also, if you are interested in someone, just approach them, talk to them. Don't keep it to yourself. So yeah, if you like someone, just approach them, talk to them. Okay. Okay, you have, look, I was talking about procrastination. There is a chance of procrastinating with this laziness. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, you have a lot of ideas, you want to do things, you have a lot of passion, but at the same time, you might get lazy. Like every day you're exercising, you're losing weight, you know what you want, you're achieving, but sometimes you might get into this procrastination. But it's okay to get it's okay to take one day break when you need it. But I feel like with this card, it's like you might you might procrastinate a lot, and it's that will not be good for you guys, for your manifestation. The way you want things, if you procrastinate, it will not happen. Okay, again, we have a king. Definitely we have two kings over here. We have King of Swords and we have King of Pentacles. So definitely what I'm getting is like guidance from, abundance of knowledge is coming your way. You will get a lot of guidance from random, I don't know, if you go to a party, you'll be talking about like random things, and then you will get a perspective like, yeah, I can do that. It's like meeting new people, talking to a lot of people. So you're getting different perspective, like what you can do about your career or about your business. So that kind of energy I'm getting. Or maybe you're getting a lot of advice regarding love life, so how you can manage things. So there is a lot of guidance I'm getting, and take that guidance because it will help you a lot. Okay, and again, we have maturity. For some of you, as I told you, there is like a door to abundance opening up. So like business, I told you, for some of you, maybe you want to grow your business, someone is investing in your business. So there is lot of material abundance also coming your way. And with this laziness also, you will be very satisfied by your finances also. That's what I'm getting, like climbing the ladder to success. Okay, so that's the thing. So let's just use these cards also. Look at the flowers. Look, again, flowers reminds me of like celebrations, decoration. They're going to a place where there's a lot of decorations, feeling very happy, right? Feeling very abundance, like there is a lot of abundance of food, drinks, people, feeling happy, socializing. This is all about that. Maybe it's a small gathering. It shouldn't, it's not necessary that it has to be a big gathering. It can be a very small gathering also, but you're meeting people, okay? And you're talking to people and you're getting different perspective, like different ways, different ideas. You're getting solutions. Like you will be starting with a random talk, and but you will get a solution. That's what I'm getting here for some of you. Or if you're not going to a party, like you will be meeting people who will give you guidance. There is support. There is, like, you're meeting new people, definitely. Or maybe it's your loved ones who are guiding you. It can also happen, but definitely there is a lot of guidance coming your way with these 2 kings here. Solutions to your problems. Sometimes we feel like that we don't have solution, I cannot do it, but our the people who have experienced these things, they might give you some ideas. So yeah, that's the thing. So let's see what is the final message for you guys. What are you manifesting, group number 1? That's a lot. Okay, I'm just going to shuffle again. Yeah, okay. Eye of the needle, yes. So with this, you need to take action. That's what I'm getting. So things will be, universe is taking care of all the things. What you want will manifest, but it's like we have the needles, and what we need to do, if we have the needle, we have to put the thread inside the hole, and that's when we can make things. Like that's when we can make clothes, or like we can sew things, right? So it's important that you take action. When you take action, when you go forward with your plans, things will move forward. So with this intention, your intention should be like, yes, I want this. Be clear with it and move forward. Don't go back and forth with your intention. One day you want to do this, the next day you don't want that. So don't go back and forth. Decide on one thing. Be clear with your intention. Write that intention down. And if you have a plan, write it down and then work towards it. You will be able to manifest whatever you want in your life. And we have 1 + 7, 8. 8 number is all about abundance. It's about infinite possibilities. You will get a lot of possibilities, a lot of ideas. Universe is with you. A lot of guidance from different people also. And you will be satisfied by your work. But you will have to take action. With this lion also, you will have to work. You will have to take the needle. You will have to take the thread, and you will have to, like, we have to put the needle inside this hole, right? So you have to be very focused, and then only you will be able to make it. Okay, so that's the message for pile number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this crown chakra, let's see what is your message. What are you manifesting into your life? With this crown chakra, what I feel like, a lot of messages. Your dreams might be very, very vivid, I feel, group number 2. So a lot of chaotic dreams. Maybe you're dreaming of water, buildings, people, a lot of dreams that are reoccurring, like you're seeing the same dream again and again, a lot of people. So I feel like what I'm getting is like a lot of healing is happening. Childhood healing, you're healing your past, you're moving forward through your, in your dreams also you're healing. I'm getting you're taking your power back. That's what is coming. You're taking your power back, you're healing all the things that are not good for you. It's like you're crossing the bridge. You were in between the bridge, finally you're crossing. Like you are here right now, fine. Like these are 2 bridges. just an example. Like these are 2 bridges. You were standing here. You were so afraid to cross the bridge. Finally, it's like you're healing and you're crossing the bridge and you're getting into the other side. That's something I'm getting here. Like a lot of healing childhood trauma. Maybe for some of you had a lot of past problems or past things that you didn't let go of. Finally, you're letting go of, and you're crossing the bridge, and finally you're in the other side. You were in the in between worlds. You were not in the past also, you were not in, it's like in between. You didn't get the full things also, but you were not that in the dark also, but you were not in the light also. Now what I feel like, it's like you're getting into the side. You're seeing the light now, complete light, full of light. I don't know if you understand that, but I'm getting like you're getting into the other side, and this other side will lead to happiness, success. Okay, so your dreams are very important. I'm getting, maybe for some of you, it's not every dream will have a message. Okay, that's not the thing, but if you feel like, yeah, I saw that, maybe that can be a message for some of you. Okay, but I'm getting like in your dreams you're like healing something about that, like a lot of healing of your past, healing of your childhood things, inner child healing. Okay, so that's what I'm getting. But you're receiving a lot of guidance from spirit. I'm getting you're trusting also. Yeah, that's what and that's beautiful that you're trusting it. You're finally trusting it. Maybe you didn't trust earlier, now you're like trusting. Whenever you get a sign, you trust it, and because of it, you can manage your stress more. Like in the past, you used to get triggered by something, and it used to take like 1 week for you guys to get back. But now if you get triggered by something or someone, it's just like matter of minutes. You will be okay in like 1 or 2 hours, like you will be back. So that's something I'm feeling, like you have that balance, you have that harmony from inside. You're very balanced from inside. You have been doing the shadow work. Yes, I feel like you have been doing the shadow work. Finally you're seeing the other side and the beautiful side. Like you have learned a lot of lessons also, group number 2. So let's see, what are you manifesting? What is my group number 2 manifesting? Wow, look, financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. So definitely you have been working, you didn't get that desired results. It was like you were in the between, you were not getting it. You were working very hard, you were not getting the things that you really wanted. You were getting, but you were not getting the thing you hoped for. Like you were manifesting for big things, you were getting only a small part. But now what I see is like there is gain. So maybe for some of you, financially, there is a lot of financial healing happening in your life right now, and that's why. So the things that didn't work out in the past may work out for you guys now. And maybe you did something in the past, you didn't get the money. Maybe you had a project, you did that project, but they didn't give you the money, but finally you're getting that money back. So that something is coming. So there is unexpected money coming your way. And for some of you, I even feel like you might get money from other person, like generously. Someone will be very happy, so they might give you more money. Okay, so something like that. And with this dolphin is all about joyfulness, pleasure. So that's what is coming your way. So a lot of financial gain, finances, money is coming. Okay, wow, announcement. So I feel like with this money and announcement, something regarding money is definitely happening. Like some message, maybe you will receive a message, a notification bell that that much money has been credited, or something like that. Some messages or email that will make you happy, that is regarding your money situation. Okay, so maybe you will get a raise or a bonus or something like that, and this is going to make you very happy. So and this is not for something that you're doing now. Because of your past work you will get, and that will make you happy. So some good news regarding money is definitely happening. Maybe you're manifesting money, you're doing that prosperity affirmations. So if you're doing that, that's working for you guys. Okay, doing something risky, taking a chance. So with this tiger also, tiger is like is an animal. When they hunt, they just look, like they look at their target, like the prey, and then they just go. Even though it's risky, they go. They're very focused. So that's what here I feel like. Keep on working on your desires. If you feel like, yes, I need to take action, if you're feeling that intuitive feeling, yeah, I want to take this idea, and go for it. Because even though it's risky, even though you're taking a chance, I feel like it will be for your good. You will feel good about it. There is something good. Okay, so sometimes intuition will not give us explanation, right? So it's very we can't trust it. So maybe you're getting a lot of messages, you're getting a lot of creative ideas, but but intuition is not explaining to us what it will give. But so yeah, sometimes it's risky to trust our intuition and go forward with it, but it's like go forward with it because I feel like it will give you happiness only. So take a chance on someone or something. That's what I'm getting here, because it will give you happiness. I'm hearing the word fulfillment. Look, yeah, as I was saying, fulfillment, period of prosperity and abundance. Yes, so financial gain definitely for many of you is happening. Success in your career. So if you are looking for a new job, I feel you will be getting that also, or maybe you're trying to leave a job for a new one. So maybe this new job will give you more prosperity. So it's like, if you feel like, yes, I need to take that risk, I need to follow my gut feeling, go for it. Okay, go for it. That's what spirit is telling you. So something about love also. Maybe you will, if you're I'm just hearing, if you're in separation with someone, you might hear some information about them. Okay, yeah, some information is coming your way, and this announcement can be that also. Let's see what are you manifesting. Group number 2, what are they manifesting? Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Wait guys, everything is on the floor. Just give me a minute. I'm sorry for that. So let's see. I'm hearing something about your ex. Someone will try to contact you. So trust your gut feeling in that, okay? If you don't want to talk to them, don't talk. But if you feel like you need to give a chance, give a chance. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Recognition, reward for merit. So definitely the past work is paying off, guys. Like sometimes we feel like that I have been doing so much work, I have been giving my 100%, but nothing is coming my way. I didn't get anything. No, nothing for you guys. That's what your manifestation is like. Your whatever work you have done, you will be rewarded for that. You will get the recognition. Your hard work is going to pay off. For some of you, I even feel like that you have done something risky in the past, and you felt like that, why did I took this chance, because it didn't give me anything. But I feel like the chance that you took, like in the past, if you took a chance, like if you took a risk, that will pay off now. So there is definitely financial prosperity. A lot of your finances are going to increase. You will be very happy with that. I feel like for some of you, love also is there, like meeting someone from your past is going to happen. So at that time also, trust your intuition. You're receiving a lot of messages, a lot of creative ideas. Work on it, because it's the message. And I feel like, you're very connected with the universe gives you a lot of signs. So be open to that. Okay, whenever you're feeling a nudge, write it down. Oh, we got this marriage for group number 1 also. Interesting. Marriage is like unity. So yeah, I feel what is happening is like with this marriage, if you had problem regarding in your marriage, if you had problem because of your finances or something like that, that is going to be resolved. If you had in your marriage, if there was issues regarding finances, that's going to be resolved. That's what I'm getting. And if you want to marry someone, like it's a risk. It might be risky. For some of you might get proposed and you're feeling like it's risky. So if you feel like it, if you feel like, yes, I need to do this. Maybe you were not ready for marriage and you're like, this is a person is proposing, and finally you're like, yes, let me take this risk. And if you feel like that, yes, I should get married, go for it. Okay, trust your instincts. That's what I'm getting. But there is togetherness, definitely. Financial healing I'm getting. And the main thing what I'm getting is like, what you're manifesting is like, your divine feminine and masculine is coming together with this marriage card. That's what I'm getting. You are connecting more to your higher self. It's like more of a more spiritual. I'm getting like you're connecting more to your you're spiritually progressing. You're connecting more to your higher self. You are understanding a lot of signs, symbols. So that's something I'm getting here. and because of it you're making better choices, you're making better decisions. And when we let go of things, when we surrender, you were like holding on to things very strongly, now you're like letting go of. And when we let go of, when we surrender, that is when we get that rewards, that is when we get that recognition. That's what is happening for you guys. You're letting go of, you're surrendering to the divine, you're trusting completely, you're like, I'm patient, I'm trusting in this divine plan, and that's why things are happening for you guys. So there is beautiful times ahead for you guys in terms of finances, in terms of your career, I see that, and spiritual progress also. You are coming back together, you're feeling that inner happiness I'm getting here. Let's see what else. Okay, protection from a powerful friend. Okay, so there are people also, loyal people around you. Maybe your partner is your partner protects you a lot. Maybe you really have a dog. Okay, so maybe you have a dog that protects you. Okay, so that's also I'm getting. And I'm getting like spirit guides, angels are around you, they're protecting you, very, very protected. Okay guys, so that's something I'm getting. Lot of protection, lot of I feel like for some of you, there is a loved one, passed on loved one around you who is helping you to manifest the things that you want to manifest in your life. Okay, and I even feel like that you're breaking certain ancestral patterns also. So yeah, there is a loved one around you, I feel like that. Oh wow, look, wishbone, a wish is definitely coming true. And interestingly, I told you about the bridge, and yes, successfully overcoming a problem. So that's what I felt. You were in this, you were in this middle of the bridge. Finally, you're crossing the bridge. You were here, now you're here. You're in the other side because your wishes are coming true. So definitely there is a lot of protection from your spirit guides. Look, we have family wishes come true. So yeah, for some of you it's like related to your family also, like you are the one who is making your family wishes come true. So maybe in your family you are the one who is going to be very, very successful regarding money area. Yeah, maybe you are the one who is going to make lots of money, and you will be helping your family members. So that's also I'm getting. So definitely if you have a wish, and I feel for some of you your wish is regarding your finances, that's coming true if it's that. And for some of you are wishing for a partner, like for marriage, that's also coming true. Like you want to take this risk, you want to get married, and your wish is like you want a very equal relationship, and I feel like that's also coming your way. Or maybe for some of your friend is going to propose you, and so that's why you will feel, oh my god, how can I say yes, because this is my friend, I don't want to lose my friend. Because sometimes we feel like that if we get into the relationship, the friendship will go or something like that. You think a lot. Don't just trust your instincts. Okay, so yeah, definitely a wish that you were hoping for, you were manifesting, that's coming true for you guys. And yeah, something regarding finances, if you are manifesting a recognition, or if you want to pass an exam or something like that, that's definitely happening. There's a lot of healing happening for you guys. You're healing, you're doing the work, guys. You're doing a lot of work, a lot of shadow work. You're changing yourself, you're changing your thoughts, your ideas, you're putting effort, you're thinking more positively, you're working on the positive affirmations, and that's why you're going to see that changes. Okay, so let's see what else for group number 2. Aloneness. Yeah, you have been doing that work. I'm getting with this Hermit card, that's what I'm getting. Aloneness. You were alone, but you were not feeling alone, because you know that universe is with you. Now you're making a connection with the higher self. You truly believe the universe. You're like, you have this utter faith now. Like this faith, you know that nothing can go wrong. Even if things go wrong, you're like, yes, even if there is a challenges, it's just to make me stronger. You have this strength now. You're becoming very courageous. You have seen the dark period. Now you have understood that everything is inside of me. There is light inside of me, and now I'm going to shine and spread that light. So yes, you have learned that lesson. Now you are going to shine your light, and you're going to help people also. You're going to help your family also in some way, and you'll be very proud of yourself. Yeah, Look, definitely that's what I'm getting. You know, in your past, you are definitely healing your past. I told you childhood past. Definitely, I told you this childhood healing is happening, right? You were in this cage. Your family, you know, because of this ancestral patterns, your family were also in this cage. You were not feeling free. Maybe you didn't have that financial freedom because of a past. Because your family is also following that limited beliefs, limited, you know, the traditions, and because of that also your family didn't have enough money or struggle for money, or you know, it's an average middle class. I'm getting that kind of money, but you don't have a lot or something like that enough. So whatever it is, you're breaking free from them, free from that ancestral patterns, and you're freeing yourself. You're going to fly like a bird, because you have a lot of awareness, a lot of understanding that you have done. You have learned a lot of lessons. You are crossing the bridge, right? And you are healing that childhood. Like for some of it, it's like childhood healing is happening, inner child healing is happening. I'm even getting like ancestral patterns that that were going in your family, that is also coming to an end because of you. You are the one who is breaking the pattern. Okay, so yeah, that's something really. I told you there is a loved one around you who is helping you in that. Okay, so wow, and look, you're finding the puzzle. Finally, look, completion. And I told you about the bridge also. You were in the middle of the bridge. Finally, you're like, yes, this is what I had to do. Finally, you're finding that puzzle piece, and things like it's like completed. A cycle is completed. You have been healed. Like healing was happening. Finally, you are on the other side. You're finding that light from inside. You're understanding a lot of things. You're aware of your own limited beliefs. You're understanding how universe work, how universe is abundant. You're receiving a lot of messages from universe. So there is a completion, there is victory, there is happiness. So definitely there is going to be some news regarding your past work that will make you very happy. There is some sort of recognition, so you will feel very completed, very fulfilled. Your finances are going to improve, and yes, there is a pattern. You are the one who is, you are the selected one. I'm getting like you are the selected one who is changing things, like in your family. You're helping your family, like you're the chosen one. I'm getting like that, and you're understanding that, and you're going to like you're going to heal. The person who is healed will heal their family. This is what I'm getting. You're healing now. You're getting into the other side. Now you have so much of light. Now you're going to shine your light, and you are going to heal other people. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. You have done a lot of work. You have learned a lot of lessons. You have struggled a lot. You had put yourself in a cage. You have put yourself in this mental prison. Now you're so bold. You're so courageous. Now no one can stop you. Okay. Oh wow, this is beautiful, guys. Group number 2. Oh my god. So let's see. Where's the message? Last message. Okay, once more. Okay, I'll just shuffle because there was a lot. Okay, we got one. Yeah, new beginnings. Wow. Definitely, this is a new. Look, 5. I told you you're crossing the bridge, and after we cross the bridge, that is the new beginning. So a lot of changes, a lot of rejuvenation. You're relaxing. Like you have completed a cycle of hard work. You were working hard. You were like building something. Like for example, I'm just giving an example, like a person who is building their a blog. You were working hard. You were writing every day in your blog. Finally, you're getting that rewards. The work you have done in the past, you're getting the rewards. Now you can relax. Now you don't have to put that much effort, right? You can have your free time also. So some sort of like that, that energy I'm getting. So new beginning, new start, ending of that trauma, healing field. You're healing, you're healed. Healing is a process actually, but I feel like you will be healing a lot of childhood patterns of yourself, a lot of addictions that you had, a lot of bad habits are healing. So you're feeling very new. You know what you got that last puzzle piece. Now you're feeling very fulfilled, a lot of fulfillment, a lot of joy, a lot of you're feeling completed. You're feeling so happy. You're like, yes, I wanted this, I got this. That kind of energy. Now it's a new start. Now you don't have to work that much hard. I feel like for some of you had this limited belief that you have to work hard, you then only will get little money or something like that, and you're breaking that. You're understanding that we don't have to work so hard. We can work smart, right? We can get that passive income, right? And you're understanding a lot about finances, how money works. Money is energy, like the more we give, the more we receive. So it's like that kind of energy I'm getting from you. So that's what you're like. You're very connected to the universe, and that's so strong, and you're very powerful manifestors. Even if you don't know, you are powerful manifestors. So when you go to shopping, if you like, I want this, you will just be thinking and you will get it very easily. So your manifestation skills are on point. So when it comes to bigger manifestations, it takes a little bit of time, but you are going to manifest whatever you want, whatever you desire, you will manifest. But right now I feel like you have been manifesting something regarding finances, and that's definitely coming true. And maybe for some of you, you are freedom, you want freedom, okay, that's also, it's coming true. Maybe for some of you, it's like you were going through a stage of anxiety, depression, you're like letting go of it, you're healing that, finally feeling good about yourself. So a chapter has definitely ended for you guys. This is a new chapter, and this is going to be beautiful. Okay, so that's it, group number 2. Bye bye. Number 3, if you have chosen this third eye chakra, then let's see what is your message. Okay, so for some of you, I'm getting like you need to meditate a lot. Whenever you feel stressed, meditate, because while meditating you get a lot of different perspective, like different ideas, like how you can approach this thing, how you can get solution. You get a lot of creative solutions, I'm getting. So your vision is very, very clear. That's something. If you were confused, the confusion is going to go away, the vision is going to be very clear. You're going to be very clear about your path, what you need to do next. You will be writing it down, strategy, making a strategy, like manifesting. So your vision is definitely very clear. I see that. Okay. Yes, for some of you, I feel like your clairvoyant abilities are going to be heightened. Okay, so that's also I'm getting. If you're working on your spiritual gifts, if you're trying to build that up, it's happening. Okay, maybe you're meditating, you're trying to work on your third eye chakra, so that's happening. And with this color, I'm getting communication. A lot of communication is coming your way. You're manifesting a lot of communication. That's something I'm getting. Okay, so maybe you have a vision of how your life, you have this vision about your life. You're imagining a lot of things, so your imagination is very powerful. Okay, that's something I'm getting. Your imagination is very, very powerful. So let's see. Desk. Pay attention to your work. Okay, like, yeah, sunrise, a lot of clear, like confusion is going to go away, guys. Wow, good fortune. Then let's take from these. So hard work is definitely needed. If you want to manifest the things you want to manifest in your life, hard work is needed. You will get a lot of creative ideas. Work on those creative ideas, because those creative ideas will give you a lot of happiness, a lot of good fortune, right? But yeah, for some of you, there is definitely new responsibilities coming your way. Okay, January, you got a timing. Group number 1 also got a timing card. So you got January. So maybe your manifestation will come true in the month of January. Oh, we got this for group number 2 also. Wishbone. Wow. So look, with this desk, what I'm getting, it's like for some of you, you are going to get more responsibilities in your work, or maybe a new job. It will be very responsible job. You will have to give your 100%. So without effort, nothing is going to work for you guys. So be clear what you want to do. So be clear, strategize things and work on your ideas, because that will give you a lot of happiness, a lot of success. So if you don't have a job right now, is the time to give that resume, to work hard. And if you are getting into a creative job, if you want to get into a creative job, maybe they will tell you to send a video or something like that. Work on that and send it, because this thing, if that's the case, you might get get the job. Okay, so January month. Okay, so if you're wishing for a new job, that is definitely happening with this wishbone for some of you in the month of January. For others, it's like you wish that your creative ideas work. For some of you, you have a lot of creative ideas, you're working on that ideas, and you're wishing them to be successful. Yes, that will be very, very successful. I'm getting that also. For others, it's like you're trying to improve your spiritual gifts, you're progressing spiritually. That is also I'm getting. For some of you, it's like it's regarding your work. It's something regarding your work is coming true. Okay, you have been hoping for a raise. Maybe you're hoping for a promotion. You want this this job, or you want this high status that is coming your way. But you need to work on your creative abilities. You need to work, like with this desk, you will have to do that hard work. Without hard work, nothing will pay off. So if you have an interview, you will have to work for it. You will have to prepare for it. If you have an examination that you want to pass, you will have to work for it. So wishing alone will not do anything. It's like you're manifesting, you're imagining about it. If you're imagining about it, it is working. But at the same time, you will have to put that effort. When you put that effort and you imagine at the same time, like you're writing, you're preparing for an examination, at the same time you're imagining that you are very successful in this examination, and when you combine both of these, it will give you that good fortune. So whatever you want, if you want to pass an exam, that's going to happen. If you want to get a new job or a raise, or you want this status, that's also going to happen. You're wishing for that. If you have this creative idea that you want to grow into something something materialistic, like if you have I have a plan to start a YouTube channel, I have this idea, I want to work on this idea. So what you have to do is to keep on posting every day. When you do that hard work, it will pay off. Your wish will come true. But you start this YouTube channel and then you post and then you are not consistent with it, it will not give you that. Okay, so you will have to put that effort, and when you put that effort, as well as you imagine you're positive, things will happen for you guys. You will get that happiness, you will get that fortune. Okay, January is the month. Maybe you have been planning things, maybe it's time to start, or if you have been giving this resume, or you're going to interviews, work on yourself. Like if you feel like that you need to improve your communication abilities or something like that, work on that. It will give you a lot of success. If you feel like, yes, I need to work on this, work on that. Okay, if you want to just redo your resume, do that. Okay, so that's something I'm getting here. So let's see, what are you manifesting, group number 3? Be clear what you want. Be clear. Okay, so for some of you, definitely this is also the thing. Be clear what you want, your wish. If you have a wish, be clear. Yeah, I want to do this, I will do this, and work on it. Don't look back, don't give up. Okay, that's something I'm getting. So yeah, going with the flow, not stressing a lot, going with the flow. Like if you want to take one day at a time. Maybe for some of you, stress a lot, and that's the problem. You stress about your work. Oh, I have this much work, how I will do? You stress. Instead of stressing, do your work. Sometimes what happens when we stress, we are not able to give our 100%. So don't do that. Okay, go with the flow. Things are going to flow. Okay, with this Ace of Water, I'm getting new feelings, new emotions. So like when we get a new job, we feel very happy. When we get a new home, for some of you, it's like because of this raise, you will be able to buy a new home. Maybe you have this new idea. When you are in this peaceful energy, you will get this new idea. You will feel very happy. Like new emotions, feeling happy, feeling like for some of you, it's important to love yourself also, like to fill your own cup. Maybe you give a lot to other people, but when you are emotional, you don't speak up. Yeah, that's something I'm getting. For some of you, your friends come to you, share their problems, but if you have problem, you don't speak to other people. So if that is the case, speak to other people. Okay, talk it out. Don't keep everything to yourself. Aloneness, we got that also for group number 3. Isolation. So yes, So for some of you, you're having a very hard time, you're feeling very lonely. As I told you, you need to express yourself to other people. So you're feeling very lonely right now. So it's time, if you're feeling very lonely, Spirit is saying to go with the flow. Things will be okay. Maybe you don't have a job right now, that's why you're stressing a lot. Maybe you have been working on this idea, it's not working, so you're stressing a lot. So when we stress, when we have this anxiety, we are not able to do that work. So maybe you're not able to give your work, so you're not able to do your work. That's also a problem for some of you, because of your stress. You're not able to give your 100%. You're feeling very emotional. You're feeling like, oh, whatever I do, things are not happening for me. You have a lot of desires, but at the same time, you're feeling like an ice, because we have this ice here in the month January here, and we have this ice, right? So you're feeling very cold. You don't know what to do. So you need warmth. So it's like you're feeling very alone. You're feeling very lonely. So it's like, that's what I told you. Speak to other people, talk to other people. If you want to get help, get that guidance, get that help. Speak to a therapist if you want to. Speak to your friend. Let that emotions out, and when you put that out, you will have a different way of looking at things. The way you look at things now will be entirely different when you speak your emotions. So don't suppress your emotions. Speak it out, cry it out, scream, release it. That's very important here. Okay, maybe you have failed, you have gone through a lot of failure. Maybe you wanted this, you didn't get it, and you're hoping for it. So what is happening is, like, you're not able to give 100% to your work. You are manifesting, you're very clear. Like, what you're manifesting is like you're getting out of this foggy energy, and you're getting very clear. But right now, what I feel like is you're very heartbroken. Something didn't happen, that's why you're very heartbroken. You're feeling very lonely. You have a lot of things inside of you that you're not sharing to other people, and you're feeling very confused. That's what you need to do right now, is like share your emotions, fill your cup. Self-love is important. When you do that, when you recharge, you will be able to give you will be able to do your work. You will be able to give 100% to your work. Okay, and that's when things will be okay for you guys. So first, you need to balance yourself. So talk it out. I'm getting like, talk. Don't put yourself in prison. Don't stress about it. Sometimes we put ourselves in mental prison. Sometimes we feel like we don't have any way to go. So when we talk to other people, maybe they will give you some advice that will help you. Maybe not, but sometimes it will help you. Or maybe talk to angels, to your spirit guides, to your loved ones, to your family members, to your friends. So whoever you trust, or maybe get help. Okay, so that's something. Group number 3. For some of you, it's like you can do it through meditation, through seeking help from your spirit guides, angels, and you will be very clear. And don't suppress it. Cry. When you feel like crying, cry. So if you feel like screaming, scream, right? Go out in nature, relax. Okay, that's something I'm getting. Yeah, courage. Yeah, that's what you're manifesting right now. This is your energy. I feel like that. But this thing, you will be able to resolve it, and you will grow. Like, look at the flower. It has grown from the stone and it's shining, right? You are also going to shine. You will become very courageous. This thing is going to make you will learn a lot of things from this from this heartbreak. You are going to become more courageous, more strong. Okay, you're not seeing that right now, but you are going to be. Yeah, harmony. Look, wow. Yeah, definitely. Right now, you're not feeling that great. I'm getting like that. You're not feeling great about your work. Maybe you have gone through maybe for some of you, you lost a job. That's why you're feeling very heartbroken, and you're feeling like there is nowhere to go. That's why your spirit is telling things will be all right. You will not be confused. Things are going to be very clear. This is just a phase. So instead of suppressing emotions, release it. Talk to someone, seek help, and you will get help. And there is harmony coming your way. Okay, with this 10 of cups energy, it's like happiness, fulfillment, feeling very happy, satisfied. Right now you're in this 3 of cups energy, where like you're feeling like ice cold. There is no warmth, right? So you need a hug right now. I'm sending you love, guys. I hope I know that you will you will be okay. You will be okay, guys, and I'm sending you all the love and blessings. And yeah, this is a period where you're feeling very low. Take your time, if you don't feel like talking to anyone right now, don't talk. But I would say that meditate, ground your energy, release, like cry, scream, you can do it by yourself, okay? Do that. And when you feel a little good, talk to a friend, release it out, okay? Because that will give you a lot of courage. You're going to, you are going to overcome this situation. That's what your spirit guides are telling me right now. And you will be happy, you will be feeling back, you will be happy, okay? So some wish is definitely coming true. So wait, okay? Be patient with yourself. So what is the final message for group number 3? Yeah, look, you got 2 cards. And interestingly, this card came for group number 1, like lost compass, getting back to integrity. You're feeling very lost right now, you don't know what to do, where to go, but you will go back, you will come back, okay? Don't worry, you are going to come back, okay? Be honest with yourself, release all the things that is not needed, and work on your intention, your manifestation, whatever you want, because you need to work. You will get back to work. Right now you're not feeling like working, you're feeling very lost, you don't know where to go, what to do right now. That is the energy I'm sensing. You're feeling very heartbroken, things didn't go the way you want, or maybe something happened, because you're feeling very, very foggy, very unclear. But this is going to go, and you will be back, your energy will be back, you will be feeling good about yourself, and then you will be able to meet new people. Right now you're like in this energy where you don't want to meet anyone, you're feeling very lonely, you want to be lonely. Maybe for some of you need that space. Take your time, then just release, cry it out, talk talk to your angels, talk to your spirit guides, write it down, journal, okay? Light a candle, pray, meditate, and you will get back together, okay? You will be able to get back, okay? And if you're feeling like you cannot do it by yourself, speak up, okay? Talk to someone, talk to your loved one, talk to that one friend, okay? And then I'm sure with this card, it's like you will be back, you will be able to put that thread inside the hole of the needle, right? So you will have the energy to do that, you will be back to your work, okay? So that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care guys.